These small boat-looking things help fisherfolk catch fish, and it's called the Bote-Bote. Happy World Oceans Month! Cebuano is back and will be featuring the artifacts and implements found at the Kabilin Center's Duyan ang Kadagatan, Cradled by the Sea exhibit. The Bote-Bote is a spearfisher's best friend. It serves as a holding vessel when catching fish using the pamana or spearfishing technique. It holds fish and fishing equipment. Their resemblance to real-life boats is where they got the name Bote-Bote. The Bote-Bote is made out of styrofoam, bamboo sticks, wood, and nets that help the fisherman hold his fish and his equipment while he's out at sea.
Inikuha na ko sa tropical. Ako po nang iyabo diri sa akong bilaong. Ihuwan ni diri. Yung mga produkto na mo makuha sa kadagatan sa Ulanggo.
The Bote-Bote is tied around the fisherman's waist as he wades and dives underwater when hunting for fish. The catch of the day would then be placed inside the Bote-Bote for convenience. Shells, crustaceans, fish, and even sea urchins are placed inside the Bote-Bote. It's the fisherman's backpack at sea.
Dive na ko. Kita ko isda, muna ko gamitong pana na tira ana kuha isda bira sa bilaong dayon so dire.
Want to see more? You can. The Bote-Bote and other fishing implements used by Cebuano Fisherfolk can be found at the Kabilin Center's Duyan ang Kadagatan, Cradled by the Sea exhibit, which showcases Cebuano culture and the heritage of the sea.